and welcome friends. I am Praveen Thakare, the director of Spirit Academy. Friends, today we are going to see some common confusing words in English language. So many times we are using these words and we may get confused for the exact meaning of the words. So let us see and let us understand the proper exact meaning of the words and also see the exact way to use the words in our English sentences. The first is I hope and I wish. I hope. It can be used where there is a possibility of happening something. When there is a possibility of happening something, that time we can use this I hope. And I wish. When there is an imaginary situation, unreal or hypothetical, that time we can use this I wish. Let us see the example. First we will see the example of I hope. I hope she accept my gift. I hope she accept my gift. Or the second example may be I hope you decide to join me in this work. I hope you decide to join me in this work. Right? So these are the examples of I hope. The next one is I wish. I wish you had called me. I wish you had called me. Or I wish I had a big house. I wish I had a big house. काश मेरे पास भी एक बड़ा घर होता. काश तुमने मुझे कॉल किया होता. So in this way we can use I hope and I wish. The second pattern is see, look and watch. See, look and watch. देखने के लिए इन शब्दों का यूज होता है. Let us see the first see. See, it's a sense. It's a notice for aware of something. It's a notice to aware something. It's a notice for awareness of something. And the second one is look. When we are demanding attention, that time we can use this word look. And the next one is watch. When we are expecting more time to have attention on any particular situation or anything, any particular thing, that time we may use this watch, right? So let us see the examples of these three words also. First is see. I'll see you later. I'll see you later. I'll see you later. मैं आपसे बाद में मिलता हूं. I'll see you later. Okay. And the next one is, another one is, let us see here. जरा इधर देखिए. What we are doing? We are just focusing his attention, or we are making him aware of just look at this side, right? So we are expecting some attention or awareness of that person towards any particular thing. That time we are using this thing. The next one is look. Look, we have to use this look, and I have told you that when we are expecting more attention, that time we are using this look. Let us see the example. When you take a walk, look around you. When you take a walk, just look around you. जब आप घूमने के लिए जाओगे तो आप अपने आजू बाजू में, अपने अगल बगल में देखिए. लुक अराउंड यू, राइट? तो उसे ध्यान से देखना कहते हैं. एंड द अनदर वन इज जस्ट लुक एट मी. जरा मेरी तरफ देखिए, जरा मेरी ओर देखिए. जस्ट लुक एट मी. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज वॉच. व्हेन वी आर डिमांडिंग मोर टाइम टू बी लुक एट, that time we are using this to be looked at, right? So the example is, today I'm going to watch a movie. Today I'm going to watch a movie. Or I watch TV every day. I watch TV every day. So in this way we can use this see, look and watch. The next pattern is ago and before. Now what is mean by ago and before? The meaning of both the words is little bit same, पहले, right? But where to use ago and where to use before? So just have attention, friends. Ago. We have to use this ago when we are speaking about past tense. When we have to speak about past tense, that time we have to use this ago, and it is related with the present time. It will be related with the present time. So when we have to mention something, that any particular time in the past which is related to the present time, that time we are using this ago. And when there is no any particular time demanding, or any specific time is demanding in any situation, that time we can use this before also, right? Let us see the example also. Ago. Mr. Jain retired 5 years ago. Mr. Jain retired 5 years ago. It means Mr. Jain has already retired 5 years ago. So we can use this word ago. And let us see the example for before also. I will go there. I will go there before 1 hour. I will go there before 1 hour. It means मैं वहां जाऊंगा, 1 घंटा पहले जाऊंगा. I will go there. Right? The next pattern is many and much. Many and much. Friends, when there is a situation or there is a thing which we can count, that time we can use this many. And when the things or any particular object or any situation that we cannot be count, when there is a any particular thing that cannot be countable, that time we can use much. Let us see the example. You have so many houses. You have so many houses, or you have so many pens. I know that you have so many pens. आपके पास बहुत सारे पेन हैं. And the next one is much. How much you love me? How much you love me? Or how much you love to your mother? आप अपनी माँ से कितना प्यार करते हो? How much stars are there in the sky? Do you know? क्या आप जानते हो कि आकाश में कितने तारे हैं? That time we can use much. Right? The next pattern is accept and accept. Friends, in this pattern, when the situation is excluding something, that time we are using accept. And when there is a acceptance of something offered, that time we are using accept. Let us see the example. Accept. Every day I go to my office except Sunday. मैं हर रोज अपने ऑफिस को जाता हूं सिर्फ संडे को छोड़कर. Except Sunday. Right? The next example for accept is, I hope you accept my offer. मुझे आशा है कि आप मेरी ऑफर स्वीकार करोगे. She accept the gift from her father. उसने अपने पिता से उपहार स्वीकार किया और स्वीकार करती है. She accept. So thank you very much, friends. I hope you like this video very much. And if you like this, press like button and subscribe to our Spirit Academy YouTube channel. Thank you very much.